Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're out here at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Oh wow, they just got this one in the other day and now I'm back out here videoing this one. So today we're going to look at this 2026 Venture Sporttrek Touring Edition fifth wheel, model number 365 VFL. So let's get started. The length on this Sporttrek is 41 feet 7 inches. The dry weight is 12,510 pounds with a hitch weight of 3,150. GVWR of 14,995. Oh my, this is the first time I've seen their front living room fifth wheel in the Sporttrek Touring, and we're going to check this one out today. And before I get started, I'm going to walk down. As you can see, your only awning is back here where your door is, right there, and it is 15 foot 15-foot awning. Let's see if I can let you get a better look at this. Wow, this dude is huge. All right, so let's get started. You do have rack and pinion slides on this one. These up here are the cable slides, and they are the exact slides. Let's go ahead and take a look at this storage. Oh wow, this is really, really good. Huge pass-through storage right here. And your propane is right on this side. You've got all of this down here where my battery pack is. You've got the Moride pin box. See, you got the cable slide here. Your other propane. And the other side of your pass-through. Really, really cool. There's your docking station right here. There's your city water connection. Yes. All that comes up. And a tankless water heater. And you've got your pools, valves right here. That's your wastewater, black tank. You've got a dump area which is under the slide. This is also a rack and pinion. And this one down here is a rack and pinion slide. Oh, let's get in here. You do have a, CRE 3000 by Moride. Got another dump station right back here. Trying to see where the there's your pull handles are up under there. There's your spare. Looks like we've got a little storage here. If I can open it. There we go. All right, this is going to be under your bed. Really nice. Making our way back around, you see right out here is the highway. Sporttrek Touring. We do have a ladder, and we've got something else here. Gotta have both fingers on this one. And you got a little bit of storage right back here in the back. That is all right here. Cool. And looks like you got a 300-pound hitch weight or 3,000 tow weight. With a 4-pin harness. There it is, right there. Awesome. And on your campsite, like I said, the 15-foot awning. Pretty well covers it. Let's get in here and take a look. As you can see, all Venture products, Asdale sidewalls, so don't have to worry about that. As we step in, oh my. Kitchen area, table. Coming up front, your opposing slides up here with your couches that will make additional sleeping, black roller shades, 50-inch TV, I mean, sound bar, electric fireplace. Open up some of the storage around here. USB and power back here. Now, when this televator is down, you do have this big front windshield, and it does have a blackout shade. So let's take a look at all this storage. Awesome. So yeah, I came back out here to video this one. Amanda is still at work. She says she's the only one that does work or has a real job. So, okay. So we're going to have a seat right here. And this will be your view from your theater seat. Nice. Very, very nice. So let's turn. We do have a vent right here. There's your first AC. Nice kitchen table. Like I said, it's still packed up. I told Brad, the general manager, it's like, dude, just point me in the right direction. He said, it's out there, have at it. They're very awesome people to work with here at Great American. All right. Go ahead and take a look at this fridge. It is a 12 volt, I guess you call this a French style, with your pull-out freezer on the bottom. And it was on, and I had to turn it off. Your little hutch area right here. Open all this storage. Nice storage all the way around. Maybe a little small for a Keurig. I'm not real sure, but that's all right. You can use all this for pantry or whatever you need, because on the other side is another nice one. Solid surface countertops. Got all of this up under the sink down here. Really, really nice for a garbage can. And something Venture always gives you is that's right, a dishwasher. Wow. We've got the big Karen oven. That is right. It is a huge oven for burner cooktop. That's right. You can cook a turkey in that dude. Here is your microwave. And like all Ventures, they give you the cutting board. We have a little storage here. Okay. Pantry area. Really, really nice. And this little, I call this the coffee bar. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers right here. And you've got power, USB right there. Yeah, I could put my Keurig right here. All my coffees. We've got storage all up above there. And what do we got here? All right. Really sharp. This is really, really nice. I don't have them on, but some really cool light fixtures right here above your sink. And there's your table with your bench and your 2 chairs. Okay, I hit the switch and nothing happened. All right, you got power back there, so let's move on to the bathroom. Your slide controls are right here, light switches. Oh, well, that was your light switches for, yeah, your pendant lighting. Okay, all right, glad we found those. Now on to the bathroom. Got a mirrored medicine cabinet, nice sink. Got some storage under the sink. Got another little storage cabinet right here on the side. You might could throw some towels in there. Nice sink area. Oh yeah, lots of medicine cabinet space. We do have a light switch. Yeah, there we go. We've got a little I put some towels here. There you go. You can hang them up. It is a 30 by 48 shower. Encore shower. Really nice. Nice bathroom. All right, folks. Here's your control center. And now let's go into the bedroom. The bed is a 70 by 80. I guess they call it their king size. Wow. Let me just take a look here. Second AC right there. Oh my goodness. All right, if I can get over here, you do have storage all the way across the top of the bed. You've got these little shelves right here. These are really cool with your power and USB on each side. Down at the foot of your bed, you've got looks like 3 drawers. You've got some hidden storage up top here. Shelves here on this side. 3 drawers, another fireplace. Man. And some more storage here. Let's see. If you want to add a TV, it will go right above there. Right there, there's your cable and power. Now, over here, you have got more storage. There's some hanging rod there. You got your bench with a nice window. Like I said, blackout shades throughout. And on this side is the same thing with the, let me back up a little bit. A little hanging right there. Wow. Let's check under the bed. Nice storage under the bed. And these two right here. Let's open the first one. You've got all of this shelving right here. Oh my gosh. And on this side, you have got this big cabinet with, that is exactly right, it is prepped for a stackable washer and dryer. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can probably take this whole thing out or put a combo put a combo unit and leave the shelf up there, or put the stackable in. It is all up to you. Final look here on the inside of this bedroom. Wow. Wonder if I can talk Amanda into this one. Goodness gracious. Very, very pretty. Very nice. All right, everybody. Like we've said, we are now affiliates with Liquefied. So check out all that information down in the description of this video with the link to their site and our coupon code. All right, everybody. If you like this Venture Sporttrek front living, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us. That's right, give us that thumbs up. Thanks everybody.